Welcome to Gaia Queen Vegetarian Cooking. There are chopped ginger, cherry tomatoes, fresh corn, lemongrass finely chopped, zucchini or we call it as Japanese cucumber, grated coconut with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We are going to mix all these ingredients well together under a right low flame. Add the boiled chickpeas with your amount that you would like to have for, and saute all these ingredients well together. As you can see, this dish is really perfect for someone who is on a diet, or if you are craving for something really different as a vegan or a vegetarian. This is highly healthy and it is well to go with someone who is kind of very creative and looking for a new recipe out there. The corns, lemongrass, the zucchini, the tomatoes and the chickpeas is gonna well together, and it's gonna give you a well suitable taste for your appetite. Add the amount of salt based on your taste. Mix the special homemade puree which comes with tomatoes, veg anchovies, curry leaf and parsley. This puree has been made earlier to mix it with those ingredients. Let them boil. This dish really comes with an aromatic flavor. It gives you a fragrant taste. And it goes very well with rice, breads, tortillas or tacos. Sprinkle some ground black pepper as per your taste. Gently mix all of them together. I call this as Chickpea Liquamine special vegetarian dish. Make sure you cook this at least for 10 minutes to get a nice consistency. It has to be thick and yet it has to be in a liquid form as well. Our Chickpea Liquamine special vegetarian dish is ready to be served. Thanks for watching.